Hello friends, good morning. Today I'm going to explain you open building. So in my previous video I have given you that full brief of open building, some of the commands. So here you can see it is a very big software and we need to more go into the details. So today I explain you how you can go into the software. So some of the commands it was left in my previous video, so I will explain you one by one how can we use them. Okay, so let's start. First, please subscribe my channel so you can get latest video. Okay friends, so sorry, let's start. So here you can see I have open that open building in my system. So yesterday, not yesterday, in my previous video, I explained you all the things. What is architecture, mechanical, electrical, and all the commands I have explained you in my previous video. So today I will start with view attribute. So what is view attribute and what is views in microstation and open building? So let's start. So here you can see we have eight number of icons here. So in microstation you can avail eight numbers of view. So if you on all the views, so it is showing you like this. So here you can see view 7 8 5 6 4, all the views are in your screen. So you can turn off like this, and you can arrange as you want all the views. And if I go to so here you can see we have several icons with all the view. So if you select view 1 and if you select view 2, so all the views having same icons. So it is that standard settings of your views. So I will explain you how we can how we can check and how we can use that view attributes. So I close this one. Yeah, so here you can see I have opened only my first view. So if I go to that view attribute like this, so now in this section you have lot of things, and every section is have a meaning. Every section is have a meaning of each and every one. So it is ACS tied. So when you place any ACS in your drawing in your model, so at the time you require to turn on and turn off. Second one is background. So background is it is also required for when you start any modeling and any like feature modeling. Boundary display, it is also useful. And camera, it is also the part of 3D modeling. Clip back, clip front, and clip volume, these three items is also part of 3D modeling. So when you prepare a 3D model in open building or ecosystem and whatever 3D software, so these tools can be used. Construction. We have two classes in microstation and any Bentley software. One is construction and one is primary. So that I will explain you in my next videos what is construction and what is primary and how we can use, and what why we can use. So here you can see it is construction. Default lighting, it is also for feature modeling. Dimensions, if you have many dimensions in your drawing, and you don't want to see, so you just click this one, so all the dimensions are turned off. And data field is also required for we have cells and we have several datas in their attributes, so you can turn off and turn on by this feature. Display set, display set is also required for our 3D modeling. named presentation. If you have any presentation by name, so you can turn off easily here from here and turn on. It will give you that full overview of your whatever you presentation you have in your open building. Fast cells, fast cells, like we have making cells in microstation. So we have feature definition and cells. So sometimes we need to hide and sometimes we need to present. So at the time we need to use this attribute, turn on and turn off. Next one is fill. So like fill is like hatches. So in your drawing or whatever you have made in open building, so if you have hatches and so you can turn off this one. So it will that fill is go away, like tax, like some of the tax is having fill also, so that tax is also not showing that fill if you turn off this fill. Grids, you know very well, if you turn off that grid, so all the grids are turned off. Level overwrite is, it is also the part of very how to say, it is very useful part of our drawing production and 3D modeling, whatever we have, we need to use in our that graphical softwares. So that I will explain you in my next video. Line type is also, if you have several line types, so and you want to show in 3D model and you don't want to see, so you can turn on and turn off this line type, so all line types will go away if you turn off this feature. Same for line width. So if you have a line thickness, several line thickness in your drawing, so if you want to turn off and turn on, so it will go away. Markers, if you have sections and like you are cutting and some sections in your 3D model and you don't want to show, so you just turn off that marker, so all the section will not displayed in your current view. Patterns, it is for hatches. So you remove patterns by turn on and turn off this. Tags is also some of the cells having tags like attribute in what we called in AutoCAD. So it is for dynamic blocks and dynamic cells. If we have some tags, so if you want to, if you turn off this tag, so all the tags are turn off. Same for text notes, and transparency is also for drawing production and it is on, it is only for viewing. And height field, so here you can see all the these all view attributes are same for each and every one, each and every view. So it is very useful part of your modeling, your drawings, your drawing production, and whatever you want to use the in open building. Okay, so here you can see we have 8 number of views. So I have active only view one, so it is showing only it is active here only one. So if you active second one, second view also, so it will show you one and two. So 3 and 4, 3 to 8 is not available. So you can assign whatever setting you want to in your number of views. So here you can see I have on turn on all the views. So now you can see all the views are enabled here. In when you prepare a 3D model, so generally we have use three views. One is 3D modeling, one is top plan, and one for elevation. So generally I suggest for 3D modeling you keep turn on by three views. Okay, friend. So next thing is here it is building promote view set. So that is also the part of dynamic views. So I will explain you in my next videos. View setup, it is also a part of saved view, how to cut a section from 3D model and how to make a saved view for this cross section and elevation whatever you made from your 3D model. So that I explain you in my next videos. Sorry. Yeah, so I turn off this one. So first thing is view attribute, and second one is display style, illustration, background lighting. So if you scroll down a bit, so here you can see we you have a lot of things. So if you I draw something for you. If I go to structure or concrete beams, so I made this one like this one. This beam is here. Okay. And friends, if you it is here, you can see it is a 2D representation. So if we want to show in 3D, so we have several options to convert this view into the 3D. So first you can go here, and here you can see we have only top plan. So you can rotate look, you can pick this one, and you found this this plus sign, and you click this one from where you want to rotate, and then like this. So you can rotate along this this point. So here you can see grids are obstruct your view, so you can turn off your grids by view attribute. It will go away, and now you can rotate your view easily, so there are no obstructions. And if you don't want to see this ACS, so you can turn off this one from here. It is also turn off. Okay, and I will explain you how to use that view. So if you want to see top view, so just click this one, so it will go in top view. And you want to see only front, so here you can see it is front. Isometric view. So isometric view is by default by some angles. You know very well what is the angle for isometric view. So it is showing like this, and here you turn on your ACS, so it will give you that angle. And next thing here is, if yeah, one of the features are also here. If you press your shift and control and right click, so that all the things are coming here. If you want to change your view style, you want to see top plan, bottom plan, whatever you want to see, and you want to see 3D model, so here you can arrange easily. You don't need to go here. Okay friends, so just I need to turn on that isometric view, so just click this one and go to top plan again, and elevation, back view, front view, whatever you want to see. So you can use this short command for this for change that views. Next thing, that illustration, how you want to see these items in here you can see it is showing solid modeling. So that feature is here. So here you can see you can change whatever you want. So filled hidden line and default, so it is showing you like this. And if you want to change wireframe, if you want to see only a drawing format, so it is showing you in wireframe. And here you have several options, like you want to see in wireframe in white background, so it is also available like this. So here you can change whatever you want. So it is for modeling monochrome. If it is black and white only, so here you can see that shadow, whatever lighting is here. So every view having a default lighting, so you can check very easily where it is showing. So here you can see like this. And for this turning, you can control your 3D operations by shift and your scroll bar. So just you can remove, you can rotate around when you any of the 3D software having this facility, just press shift and middle scroll bar. So it can be rotate easily. You don't need to go here, but I suggest that is the best feature, where you in which part you want to rotate. So just move this plus sign where you want to rotate, so it will give you facility to rotate this by this point. So it is very good feature in open building and Bentley software. So you can try and you can use them. In this feature, we have default lighting. We can change that lighting effects in that 3D modeling. So here also you can check what you want to do. Next one is update view. Update view is like you have made something in some another view, and if you want to update your current view, so currently we have only one, so it is not useful, not very useful. And this one is zoom in, zoom out, and window area. So window area is quite simple, like this one. And zoom out and zoom in, I don't think it is required to explain. This pointer I have already explained to you, and you can open this by toolbox also. So it is very useful, and you can keep your toolbar like this. Okay, and if I go here, so here that pen, this one is a walk, so it is also useful when you make a walkthrough. So it is this one is for very later stage, so I am not explaining you here. Next one is fly, so it is also for recording purpose. Native view, it is not required. And view preview. So previous view, what you want to like which view you have seen previously, so it is going you like this. Because if you undo your in your window, so it will not changing the view. If I undo, so it is not changing the view. So for view undo or redo, you need to go here, copy view. You can copy that view and for another view, so it is also useful. But like for 3D modeling, we have used only three views: one for isometric, one top plan and bottom plan, whatever we want. So it is not required many times. So if you want, so you can. This one is camera. So if you turn off that camera, so it is not enabled for open building. Like if you make IDGN from your 3D model, so at that time camera need to turn off, because otherwise it will not give you a proper view. This one is clip volume. So clip volume is like how to create a section. So here you can see I'll explain you how to make this. So just clip volume, yeah, this one. So here you can see, if I go to top plan and I want to see like this. Okay friends, so just click this one, right click this one, and align view to clip volume. So here you can see it is give you that proper cross section of your clip. And you can modify it also by like this. Like we have several things, we have two beams, one beam here and one beam here. So it will give you facility to where you want to see, what you want to see, and where you want to cut that section. And this is also clip volume. Clip mask. So clip mask is also required when we you when we make 2D drawings, and it is also for referencing. So I remove that clip boundary by deleting. So it is normal view. So it is the view attribute. I hope you like that. So if you have any question, any comment, any concern, please give me in the chat, and I will reply as much as possible. Thank you friends, thank you so much. And uh, please watch this video. And if you can give me feedbacks by chat. So please don't hesitate to ask anything. Okay, thank you very much.